Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kajinget Biej kajuan rai kajingja Sngewsih habon kiliang. Hagini ki khandiat sngi gilayo sngo yabon ki jingja habayade baka jinget baki briu kidan bari kataro ni gibale sniu. Habay keren ba uba Kyrmen Shylla ulapan pawe ka jing Sngewsih bani baki Paidbah kidang Ngeit Biej ban Shim ya kaan halaki jong ki kti. Nagaliang uba Kyrmen Shylla ulaong balada ki Paidbah kila lap shisha bagi ni gibriu kidan ya kataro kila de ban net sya kaan. Ulaong ba manuru kim dan hok satya ban Shim ya kaan halaki kti hendai bani ujor syakibor bade kmi.
Actually, it's really very sad to see that in our state, still people don't believe in the modern world, as been mentioned, and we are living in the modern world as of now. But still, people are still believe in this witchcraft, and then they still believe that in tarot, kanbat, so many things which they have mentioned in local language. And the saddest thing is that those allegations they take in their hands and then punish the people. That is very bad. If they really find out that these people practice this witchcraft, it's better for them to give them to the local authority, especially like police and all, so that let them take charge against them if they really practice those evil practice or evil practice which I could mention. So I believe that we have no rights to take the law in our hands, but I urge the people of our state. This is really very bad to hear and sad to hear that taking law in the hands, though the law is within our state are very strong, but still we are taking the law in the hands. Instead of that, why not you go and give complain to the police or give it to the law so that the law will punish them. But if you take the law in your hand, so sorry to say, the law should not spare anybody, no matter who you are, what you are, how you are. The law should not care about you. The law care about the punishment, those who did mistakes, those who commit mistakes. So I believe that if you really dare to take it, and then you have to accept it when the punishment comes to you. So.
Habayade baka jing sapriang hagi social media ya ka jing shakte jang kawe kalong kami ha post ha jowai nakaliang uba Kyrmen ulay to ba tip henry ulay itang hagi rensan jo ki social media bar ula Kyrmen ru baki pulet kinle ya kabadon kam ula kenturu iki Paidbah ban Shim ya kaan hagi ktila jong henry ban ujor syakibor jong kaan.
When it comes to that incident which happened in July, so I saw last time through social media that the police has trying to find out exactly what is going on. So as of now, I have nothing to say about this incident which had happened there. But I believe that the police are doing their duties, and the culprit will be punished, and they should not be left because they have no rights to take the law in their hand. That has been mentioned. The law, the police, and even the law is there to take care of any incident or maybe anyone who take the law in their hands. But the public, they have no rights. So I urge the public not to do such kind of thing, which is really a shame for us to see that the public are not having faith on the system. So this is not happening. It should not happen.